In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a person's role and update their permissions in your workspace. We'll go through the process from the main workspace settings all the way to adjusting access for a specific space, folder, list, or task. This is useful when someone needs a different level of access, whether that means giving them more responsibility or limiting what they can edit and view. To begin, open your workspace settings. You can do this by clicking your workspace avatar and then selecting Settings. This is where you'll find the main administrative options for managing users and access across the workspace. Once you're in Settings, look under the Admin section and select People. This will open the area where you can manage the individuals who are part of the workspace. It's the best place to review who has access and what role each person currently has. On the Manage People page, find the person whose access you want to update. If your workspace has a lot of users, take a moment to carefully locate the correct person before making any changes. This helps avoid updating the wrong account by mistake. Next, move to the far right side of that person's row and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional options related to that user. From there, select the option to change their role. You can then choose the role that best fits their responsibilities, such as member, admin, or another available role in your workspace. Be thoughtful here, because workspace roles usually affect what someone can do across a wider area of the platform. After updating the person's role, the next part is adjusting their access to a specific location. Open the space, folder, list, or task where you want to manage permissions and then click Share. This opens the sharing window for that item. In the sharing settings, find the drop-down next to that person's name. Click it and choose the appropriate permission level. Your options may include full edit, comment, or view only. Full edit is typically best for people actively managing content, while comment or view only can be useful if someone only needs to review information without making direct changes. Once you've selected the correct permission, take a quick moment to confirm that both the workspace role and the shared access level are set the way you want. When everything looks right, simply close the sharing window. That's it. You've successfully updated the person's role and permissions. Thanks for watching.